Are you struggling? Money tight? Don't know what to fix? Let me show you this cabbage sausage stew that can be made for less than $1 a person. This is great stuff. Stay tuned. I'll show you how to make it. The first thing we're going to do, as normal, turn our fire on to a low heat. And then we're going to start with our cabbage. As you notice, I've already used quite a bit of the cabbage. I keep the stem on. If you keep the stem on, this will last an extra 2 weeks. Anyway, we're going to cut the cabbage up. You don't want to get the stem in there. You want to take it out. And cut the cabbage up. Cabbage is a great vegetable, a great substitute, and a great filler. Next, we're going to do 1/4 of a pepper. And also, cabbage will cook down very fast. 1/2 of a purple onion. Onion goes in. Next, we're putting in garlic, granulated garlic, and black pepper. 1 sausage. This is the beef sausage we picked up at a local market. Slice this into pieces. You can keep the sausage whole. You can slice it into rounds. Prefer to keep pieces like that. Next goes our potato. Use a potato peeler. Little dark pieces. Potatoes are good because you can cut those out and keep on rolling. Do not throw a potato away because it has black pieces. Cut the black pieces out and use the rest of it. All last a long time in storage in the refrigerator. Well, we had a lot of black in that one. Throw the black pieces away. Cut the potato up any way you want to. We're going to bring this to a boil. There. All our ingredients are in there. Let's add some oil. Let's turn our fire up. And start cooking. Once these cook down, render their moisture out. We want to get a little char on there, a little color, and then we'll add water, bring it to a boil. This is a very simple, easy meal. Our ancestors ate it. It keeps well. It's hearty. It will stay with you. And you'll love the taste. You'll do this over and over again. My grandmother from Czechoslovakia used to make this all the time. It was simple, quick. It was very, very inexpensive. And the cabbage, potatoes would last forever in storage. Back to the pot. A lot of people ask me what I do with the leftover vegetables. Once I cut up a pepper and onion, very simple. I take a sandwich Ziploc bag, I place them in there, I close the bag up, put it in the refrigerator, and it's ready when I want it the next time. Simple tip. Don't waste anything. We don't in our household. That's how you save money. All right, everything's cooked down. Now comes the simple part. We're going to add about 1/2 gallon of water. You notice the brown in there. That's where the flavors have cooked out. Now we're going to take some better than beef bouillon paste. Use the back of the spoon because I left my spoons on the counter. Next, we're going to come in with A little bit of Maggi seasoning. This is good stuff. If you don't have this, you can use Worcestershire sauce. You can use soy sauce. About a quarter tablespoon. And just for a gentle touch, we're going to add some apple cider vinegar. You don't want very much of this, you just want a little. About a tablespoon. It will brighten the flavor up and give you a good mellow richness. Now we're going to place a lid on this and bring this to a boil. Make sure our fire is up. It is. I'll see you in about 10 minutes. This does not take long to cook at all. The way you tell if it's ready, it's been cooking about 15 minutes. Grab your potato, get you a fork, and when the potatoes are tender, everything's ready. Cabbage cooks real fast, onions, peppers cook real fast, sausage is already cooked. Now we can serve this like it is, which Grandma sometimes did. She put the bread, fresh baked bread, in a bowl and she would ladle this stew over the top. It was killer good, phenomenal. Grandma lived to be 103 years old. Ate like this all her life. Well, what do you think? Everything came together very simply, very quickly. Sausage, cabbage, potatoes, green peppers, onions. This thing is for 2 people, the entire pot, and comes out cost to roughly $1 a person. You can do this. You can feed your family cheaper. All you gotta do is know some techniques. Let's try a bite of this and see how it is. We'll try the broth. Oh, it's good. Very rich, deep, dark flavor because of beef broth. You can also use chicken broth, vegetable broth, ham broth, or no broth at all. With a little crackers, we'll put those in there. Like I said, normally you could serve this with French bread, toasty baguette, anything. This is delicious. This is a stew that'll keep for a long time. This is a stew that'll fill you up. If you want to learn more of these techniques, more of these recipes, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends. They may want to learn this also. And we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye. Let me know if you try this. I think you'll like it. I'm going to have me a few bites and finish this bowl.